In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Smartsheet. If you need a clean, shareable snapshot of your work that looks the same on any device, exporting to PDF is the quickest way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and I'll also point out what to expect so nothing catches you off guard. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the workspace that contains the sheet or item you want to export. Workspaces are listed in the left panel, and selecting the right one ensures you're exporting the correct content. Inside your workspace, look for the three dots icon, often labeled More Actions. This icon sits near the item name or at the top right of the interface, depending on your view. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the Actions menu. This menu is where Smartsheet keeps additional options that aren't shown by default, including export tools. From that menu, choose Export. Selecting Export tells Smartsheet you want a copy of what you're viewing, formatted for use outside of the app. It's a safe operation. It won't change your sheet or workspace. It simply prepares a downloadable file. Next, choose PDF. PDF is ideal when you want a fixed layout that's easy to print, attach to an email, or store for records. Smartsheet will generate a PDF based on your current view, so the columns, rows, and layout you see are what get captured. You'll see a confirmation or settings window appear. If you're in a hurry, you can accept the default settings and click OK to proceed. That OK button starts the export and creates the PDF. Depending on your browser, the file will either download automatically to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. If a download bar or a small pop-up appears, that's normal. Just confirm the save if prompted. When the download finishes, open the PDF to verify that it looks the way you expect. If you ever need different formatting in the future, remember that the export window often includes options like orientation or paper size you can adjust before clicking OK. For now, the default settings are perfectly fine for a straightforward export. That's all there is to it. Open Smartsheet, navigate to your workspace, click the three dots, choose Export, select PDF, and click OK. You now have a polished, portable file that's easy to share and print. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this walkthrough anytime you need a quick refresher.